Make a Mai Tai recipe. Check out these Mai Tai ingredients before making this mixed drink. There are several variations on the Mai Tai. This cocktail drink is very easy to modify to your own taste with this Mai Tai recipe. Basic Mai Tai recipe: 1 ounce dark rum, 1 oz light rum, 1 and 1/2 ounces triple seconds, 1/2 ounce orange juice, 1 ounce pineapple juice. Splash grenadine. Put all Mai Tai ingredients into a shaker with plenty of ice and shake briskly. Pour the cocktail drink into a tall glass. If you wish, you can garnish with cherries or orange slices. Required tools: shaker, tall glass.